Hello everyone, I am Professor Sachin Patwale from Matashri College of Management and Research Center, Eklare, Nasik. Welcome all of you in video lecture series. Today I am going to teach you strategic management subject. So, this subject is full of 3 credits. This subject is compulsory for all the third semester students of all MBA students. This is a generic core subject and subject code is 301. My friends, first of all, we will understand what is the exam scheme for this subject. So, see, these subjects having 100 marks, internal evaluation for 50 marks, and external theory paper for 50 marks. This internal evaluation will be on the basis of assignment submission, written test submission, and presentation. External theory paper for 50 marks. That means we will see how the question paper will be designed. I am going to tell you. First question is for 10 marks. That means MCQ questions will be there for 10 marks. After that, short notes, 2 short notes will be for 10 marks. And after that, 3 questions. Every question is having a 10 marks. And these 3 questions are for 30 marks. Total individual every question having a 10 marks. Total 30 marks. All these 3 questions are broad question. Okay. This is total 50-50 marks question pattern. Okay, now we will see how the course objective of these subjects. See, all the subjects is designed for related to the business. So all the concepts we will see in the strategic management subject. Also, you will learn all the principles of the subjects, and you can use all variety of strategies in the subjects. You can implement these strategies in your business and control in your organization also. After that, these subjects help you to enhance your skills and every business solution. Then these subjects also help you to analytical tools as a strategic management. Okay, now we will see course outcomes. See, this subject is very useful in the business level. So we will see after successfully completion of this course, you will be able to understand all the terms and concept of the strategic management. After that, in a real life world, this subject is very useful. Also, across the world, these subjects you can utilize all the strategies in your business. So this subject is very helpful for you. Now, see again, what will we understand? Different types of strategies you will understand. So this is for various perspective. This subject is useful, and you will analyze what is the result of your business. That means different types of problem you have to face in your life in the business. So this subject is very useful for you. Okay, now how the syllabus content of first unit. See, first unit is total 5 units in this subject. In this unit, we will see one by one. Total are 5 units. First unit is understanding strategy. In the unit first, name of the topic unit is understanding strategy. Means what? You have to understand different types of strategies. In daily routine life, you are see that you are using different types of strategies. Also, but you exactly know the value meaning of the strategy. We will see in the unit. After that, levels of the strategies. Different types of strategies we will see of levels: corporate level, business level, functional level. Okay. After that, what is the strategic management? We will see in the detail in unit. After that, also we will learn company's external environment, company's internal environment, and Porter's five forces model. Okay. So next unit, analyzing company's internal environment. Internal environment, do you know what is internal environment? Do you know the one concept we are always using? SWOT analysis, SWOT. Yes means what? Strength, weakness, threats and opportunities. We have to understand the internal environment. Internal environment means SW. These related to internal environment, and opportunity and threat, OT. These are the external environment. So, my dear friends, we will see in the details company's internal environment. Okay. Also, we will see portfolio analysis. How can we do portfolio analysis? In the first, BCG matrix. What is the 9-cell matrix? It's a very interesting topic. I will teach you in the unit number 2nd. Okay. After second unit, we will see third unit. In the third unit, generic competitive strategies. This subject, I already told you, this subject is very important, and always I will use the word strategy. So, generic competitive strategy. In this unit, we will see low-cost strategy, differentiation strategy, different types of grand strategies. Grand strategies means big. That means it's a top level management strategies. That means merger, acquisition, takeover, where always see advertises of different types of companies. They are doing the merger, they are doing acquire. For example, like Facebook acquire WhatsApp. All these concepts we will see in the third unit. After that, fourth unit, strategy implementation. Now, whatever strategy we will study, how this strategy we can use, we will see in the strategy implementation. Okay. Now, unit number 5, blue ocean strategies. In this unit, we will see different types of blue ocean means what? When there is a new market, there will be blue ocean strategy, and there will be already people engaging their business, and we have to search the opportunities. That means a red ocean strategies. In this unit, we will see in the detail the blue ocean strategy, red ocean strategy. After that, how we can sustain our business, we'll see in the details. Okay. So, these are the syllabus content. For the reference books, you can use in detail study strategic management and business policy by Azhar Kazmi textbook. It's a textbook. After that, strategic management by Dr. Yogeshwari L. Giri. It's a reference book. Okay. So you can use these books. Now see, I will show you one video. Top 10 richest person in India. My friends, now you will ask me, what is the relation between this subject and this 10% richest person? So, my dear friends, whatever I am going to show you in this video, these are the 10 richest person. This video is all 10%, 10 people. These people already using strategic management subject in their business. We are now studying this subject, but this subject is designed by these 10 people. So just see this video.